Did I interrupt you? Just gonna start making out with you. I think she's chewing on the booger she got off of your nose. Is that yummy? Did you put a booger on your nose for her to eat?
Okay. No.
Good night.